Hello, good morning everyone. Today we're gonna discuss how to prove a statement using mathematical induction.
So, what's up guys? Nandito nga po pala tayo sa channel ko. So, nandito nga po pala tayo sa kwarto ko. Okay. Anong oras na? Alas 3 na lang ako. So, I'm here to present the mathematical induction with Jim Lordy and Antonetте from NW1-A. So, without further ado,
お前はもう
let's do it.
死んでいる。
That is our example for today. Let's test it if it's true when n is equal to 1. Yan. That. So yan. So let's start with 2 times 1 which is 3. Which is 2 plus 1. Then we'll have 3. And 3 times 1. Then we'll have 3. There you go. We'll have 3. And that makes our first statement true for 3. N is equal to 1. There you go. Let's test it again. If n is equal to 2, and we'll use the sum of 3 and 7, which is 10, and we'll have 10 there, 10, and we'll substitute n with 2, so we will have 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1. Then there you go, we'll solve it and see if it is equal to 10. We'll start with this. 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4 plus 1. Then we'll have 5. We'll have 2 multiplied by 5. Then we'll have 10. There you go, we'll have 10. It's equal. Can you see? There you go. And we'll have the sum of 3 plus 7. 3 and 7. We have 10. And first, we will multiply this. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 plus 1. Makes it 5. So 2 multiplied by 5, and that makes it 10. That makes our statement true for 2 terms.
5 minutes later.
There you go. And the sum of 3, 7, and 11 is 21. Now we have 21 here. So first we will prove when 2 is multiplied by 3 will be 6 plus 1, 7. 7 multiplied by 3 will be 21. There you go. That makes our statement true for the 3. But here's the catch. It might be false for that 17th or any term. So we'll have to test it using induction. There. It might be true for the first 3 terms, but in the 15th or 17th or 21st, or any term, it might be false.
R given is 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 4n minus 1 is equal to n multiplied by 2n plus 1. Let's see if the first term or first sequence is true. So the first term of this sequence is 3 and n is 1, which represents the sum of the terms on the left. Sum of the terms on the left. The sum has to be 3, so if we replace n with 1, it's gonna be like this. 1 times 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 3 times 1 is also 3. So, n equals 1 is true. Now, how about n equals 2? So, on the left, we have the sum of the first two terms, 3 plus 7. On the right, we're going to plug in 2n to that expression. So, it's gonna be 2 times 2 times 2 plus 1. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Then, 2 times 2 is equal to 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then, 2 times 5 is 10. So, it's also true for n equals 2. Now, let's try n equals 3. We need to add the first 3 term, which is 3 plus 7 plus 11. 11. And on the right side, let's replace n with 3. Three plus 7 plus 11 is equal to 21. 2 times 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. 3 times 7 is 21. So, n equals 3 is also true. Instead of testing it multiple times, what we're gonna do is use a letter K. So we're gonna assume that it's true when n is equal to k. We're gonna replace n with k, so it's gonna be 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 4k minus 1 is equal to k multiplied by 2k plus 1. We need to prove that the next term is going to be true, and that is when n is equal to k plus 1. So on the left, we're still gonna have 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 4k minus 1. Then the next term will gonna be 4 multiplied by k plus 1 minus 1. K plus 1. So the answer will be k multiplied by 2k plus 1 plus 4 multiplied by k plus 1 minus 1 is equal to k plus 1 multiplied by 2 times k plus 1 plus 1. The best thing to do in this example is to combine like terms, distribute, and FOIL method. Four minus 1 is equal to 3. Then, FOIL method. Two k squared plus 5k 4 minus k 4 plus k is equal to 5k plus 3 is equal to 2k squared plus k times k multiplied by 3 is equal to 3k plus 2k plus ayan ba yung mali plus 3.
1 hour later.
So, the final answer will be 2k squared plus 5k plus 3 is equal to 2k squared plus 5k plus 3. And that is the final answer.
お前はもう